Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm straightening my hair again. I like to straighten my hair. I don't do it often. I don't think I've done it since my last video, so I don't know. It's been a minute. It's been a while. We're gonna go from prep to finish. I'll probably end up cutting my hair too because I haven't cut my hair since way before quarantine, so it's been months. It's far too overdue. This is the biotin and collagen thickening shampoo. I love this. I had so much gel in my hair, and honestly it's probably why I didn't like do the whole shower thing, because like my hair looked crazy. Like my hair looked crazy. It was like matted together. I had been using Edge Booster, so if you know, you know. That shit is like, oh my god, like I honestly, like I have to quit. I can't leave that shit in my hair for days. So I started with that. I probably did about 2 shampoos with it because I needed it. And then I went in with my Maui Moisture. This is a detoxifying volcanic ash scalp care mask. So I really like this. This has bergamot oil in it, has ginger extract, it's silicone free, it's creamy, it doesn't have that weird like exfoliating bead shit. Like it's just like a creamy mask that just, it like gets that extra layer. Like even after using this twice, there are parts of my hair like in the back that just like cling to product. So yeah, this helps strip that like that little like layer, like you can like feel it. So this really helped. My hair felt really good after. It even felt moisturized and detangled. So I do really like this mask, even though I am like very skeptical of anything that's like detoxifying and stuff. I don't know, I'm just like, is this made for black people? Like my love for this has not changed in the past probably like, what, 2 years. This is the Not Your Mother's Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom. This is another one of those products that I was like, is this for black people? But like dead ass, like it'd be moisturizing. Like I'd be moist AF after this shit. Like I'm so excited because this is the first time I've left it in my hair like outside of the shower for like a good amount of time. So I'm expecting like results, like juiciness. So I'm gonna leave that in for 30 minutes and then rinse it out, and then I will be back. Everything says to do before blow drying, so that's what I'm gonna do. But I think I'm gonna start with the creamiest and then go to the thinnest. So I'm gonna go with this one, the Phyto Defrizzant Botanical Straightening Balm for unruly, frizzy, and rebellious hair. Then I'm gonna go in with my Phyto Specific Thermo Perfect 8. This is a heat protecting serum. To top it off with the final serum, this is a Control Freak Frizz Control and Straightener Serum. This is by Bedhead. Dope. So, oh, this one's already coming out. I'm gonna use a good amount of it just because I don't know what else to do. So what is this? 20? Ooh. I thought this would be more of a cream, but it's like pretty much a liquid. I'm so skeptical. Like I'm seriously sitting here like, what are these little light ass products about to do for my hair? Like really like what? Like what? But the girls be swearing by it. The only reason I bought this is because Jade Pierce put this on her Instagram like forever ago. And I was like, oh my god, next time I straighten my hair, I want to use that. And she said it made her hair shiny, so that's really all I ever look for when it comes to straightening. I just want my hair to be shiny. That's it. That's all. I think it's almost dry. Yo, this didn't take that much time though. Like this took no time at all. Like I'm so uncoordinated. I cannot blow dry for shit. Like this went well. Yeah. I do believe that these products have helped the drying time, as well as like the fact that it's still so detangled while I'm drying it, like super roughly, is just like, this is nice. Like I feel like this is how white people do their hair. Okay, it does say I can use for blow drying and straightening touch-ups, so yes. So I will go in with this one. I'm just gonna do a little bit, like 3 pumps on each side, because it is pretty liquidy. Trying to take really small sections and hitting it with that boar bristle brush. And I'm trying to keep it at 2 passes max. And then if I do notice, like I'm checking the root every time just to make sure it's like totally dry. I'll hit it with a cool shot if I don't think it's totally dry, and then I'll keep going. But I will be back. So I stopped because I made it to my first little section. You can't see that. To my first section. And I'm already noticing that I'm not gonna make it even past this section without cutting hair. Like, as you can see, there are some dead ends, and I know I'm not gonna like the outcome, so I just cut as I go. And what I do is I very much just follow the dead ends. Like I just cut what is dead. I just like what I'm gonna cut here is like this. Sorry, I'm trying to just see. Like this right here, that's dead, and all of this. So I really just go in and I cut what needs to be cut, because I know I wear my hair curly most of the time. It doesn't matter. It doesn't make a difference. Honestly, like I've gotten my hair professionally cut. It looks ridiculous. I've cut my own hair. It looks ridiculous. Like I don't give a fuck. As long as I don't have dead ends, I'm usually okay. But I just try and avoid cutting straight across. That's it. That's the only thing that I try and avoid. As long as I don't cut straight across, I'm usually okay. So far, I'm loving the way my hair feels. Like it feels light and fluffy, and like it has like hella movement, considering how many dead ends are still on here and how it's just like shoop over the hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna dust some ends, and then I will come back and we will set it for styling. Show y'all what I'm doing. Like, well, this is the difference that I'm talking about. This is the difference. All I've done on this side of my hair is cut it. But do you notice like a crazy difference? Like, no, like it's literally still, like, what is the length difference? This looks way better. It looks so much better. Well cut. So look at that. Look how it fans out and like just nonsense. So I'm gonna cut around the fan. I hope that you all can see that. So look how that looks like hair again. And then I kind of just see where that lays, and then if like, see how this can be cut higher and like look better and still like have length. And I go and I cut that at like an angle. And then I kind of just, that's all I do. I just kind of just go and I look. And with my titty out, no. But I'm running out of battery. But yeah, so I'm just gonna continue to do that just around my head, just cutting off all the dead weight. I think pretty much everything that I didn't like. You know, this is kind of what's left, but now it has no shape. Look at it. Look, it's just like sitting here looking kind of weird. And like, I'm not having that. I don't need that in my life. And then this is really simple. The first night what I would do is I would just do 4 sections, and then every other night I usually just do 2. I just twist my hair lightly, like literally just twist it lightly. Like, I actually really like these products because my hair, it just feels so healthy. Like, it does have this salon feel that I haven't had in a while. And my hair it just feels really healthy, protected. It feels nice. Like, I have no complaints. Like, but we'll see, because tomorrow will really be the test. Because I never like my hair like this. Like, when it's first straightened, like, it needs time for like the heat to set in and for like curls to form, and I need bounce and I need body. But I mean, did it give me like Jade Pierce, like freshly straightened? Like, no, it didn't. Like, it really didn't. So, it's probably really gonna have to impress me. If my hair looks whack, I'm whacking a bitch. Shit. Hopefully this should look cute. Ooh, I'm feeling it already. But really, I am. Okay. And I like it big. sexy and oh my god. Y'all are gonna turn me. Look, I'm already trying to blame somebody else for my own like future mistakes. Y'all, this doesn't just make me want to straighten my hair more, but this makes me want to cut my hair. Like I want like a fucking sexy bob. I need to just buy a wig. But like, can't you imagine sleep? like I'm already imagining a different hairstyle. I spent all night on this hairstyle just to want another fucking hairstyle that's so fucking typical. Oh my god, but it's so bouncy. Wait a minute, y'all. Wait. This is like, oh, bitch. No, I'm sick. Wait, I'm about to get ignorant. Wait, wait, you know when your hair looks good, you get ignorant? Oh my god. Don't fucking fuck with me. Who's bouncy me, bitch? Who's bouncy me, bitch? Okay, business. So I'm gonna put in my anti-humidity hairspray. And this is how I keep it like fluffy. Because sometimes hairspray is like the worst. Because my hair is obviously very fine, so keeping this kind of bounce on straight hair is like pretty hard. It's pretty difficult, so just spray it and drop. Pantene, bitch, like no, fuck Pantene. I'm Phyto, honey. I'm Phyto, and I'm photo ready, like, You know what? I am feeling Jade Piercy, like, like it's a fucking adjective. Honestly, like 100%, when I asked for Jade Pierce hair at first, yesterday, I don't think I had it. But today, after a full set, look at it, look. Like, it's undeniable. Like, this is not what my hair usually looks like when I straighten it. It just doesn't. It really just doesn't. Like, this level of shine and bounce, like, no, and like this is some shit that I used to only be able to get when I had a fucking texturizer. Like, the movement of it all, like, that's the thing. Like, being able to, I'm screaming. Okay, just as a black woman, and I understand my grade of texture of hair and everything like that, but the crown of my hair has never moved without a texturizer in my life. It just doesn't. It has never, but you cannot. My brother used to call me Diana Ross because the back of my hair was, it's just a completely different grade of hair. It doesn't do what the front does. It doesn't do what the outer part does. It doesn't move. It never moves. It moves, honey. Like, it moves. My hair is moving. Oh my God. I'm sick, y'all. I do want to be clear, although I have been making hella jokes about this being a white people product, this specifically is made for kinky, coily, and relaxed hair. So if you do have a relaxer, I can't even imagine, yo, like, bro, I can't. If you like keep up with your relaxer and you have healthy hair, you really might want to try this for your like in-between straighteners, because like I'm really impressed. I hope this video found you in the best place possible. If you liked it, don't forget to leave it a like. If you like me and I don't know how, because I feel like I've been so obnoxious, don't forget to subscribe. And if you'd like to see more of me and more of my hair, bitch, looking good. I have to relax. This is not how you end a video. I'm a satisfied customer. I don't give a fuck. This is how I end my video when I'm happy. Hell yeah. Thank you, Phyto. Bye, y'all.